Sophie, taking a video. Anything you want to say?
Oh, yes. I never had a walking that much.
Okay. So, Jazz, what do you want to say?
I'm keen with God.
You love it?
Mickey.
Are you having fun for your birthday?
Mickey.
Yeah? You want to see Mickey?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our view.
This is Daddy's wallet. Here's your wallet.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Daddy, you want to say something?
Something.
Okay. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Hasta luego.